suuntaskehti Espoon Perkkaan talot. Itsehallintotie 1 niin Leppävaara Espoo. Staircase G.
Mikä niitä vähän on?
Yeah. In 1999, 1259 G.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Ett börs och 6 kilograms. Please hold on, the lift will cancel the call. Or not that time, strange, but in other staircases. Oh, yeah.
Just as were you saying.
Yeah.
It happened. Inspektitpa. Kiva inspektaa eteenpäin. Let's take a look on the call station on the 5th.
Yeah.
Like that one.
Yeah. In Imatra, call stations are almost like railway stations.
What?
In Imatra, call stations are almost like railway stations because there is just one real railway station.
Mm.
It's not even up. That's